My name is Nick Barrera. I am sitting here at Cantina. The cuisine that we cook here at Cantina consists of interior region Mexican cuisine. Is one of our brand new restaurants that has been open a little over a year now. If I grew up in the restaurants, I picked up cooking from my grandmother. I'm from El Paso originally. I moved to Austin in 2005 to attend culinary school and didn't work out that well. Just everything that was teaching me, I learned working for my grandma. All the great moles from scratch, she loved cooking in clay pottery and just everything. It was just amazing. Making tamales. My grandmother, wintertime, fall time, we do tamales. Right here, we got a green chili chicken tamale for you, which is not so spicy, but the flavors are really good on it. We confit our chicken really slow, and then we got a sweet sauce on top of it. It's really good. We have a plate brought to you by Clay Imports. We chose this color of this plate because it helps to bring the tamale to stand out a little bit more. The way the sauces vibrate off the plate and the way that it looks a little more eclectic. It brings me back to being when my grandmother's had to get off of the clay pottery and stuff like that. It's good for the home cook to be able to try and bring out their cooking a little more, to try and express themselves a little bit more.